LEVOIT LVAC-300 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner Review. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum that delivers strong suction, cleaner air, and long runtime in a lightweight design, the LVAC-300 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is built to impress. Designed for homes with pets, carpets, and hard floors, this model focuses on performance, efficiency, and ease of use. Design and build. The LVAC-300 features an optimized, lightweight stick design that's easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. Its upgraded third-generation anti-tangle brush ensures smooth cleaning without hair wrapping around the roller, reducing maintenance and saving time after every session. Suction power and cleaning performance. Powered by a high-performance motor delivering 12,000 sweeps per minute, this vacuum captures stubborn dust and debris with impressive efficiency. In turbo mode, it achieves up to 99.9% dust pickup on hard floors, including crevices, making it ideal for detailed, deep cleaning. HEPA filtration and air quality. The built-in HEPA filtration system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, offering air purifier-level filtration. This helps reduce allergens and fine dust, creating a cleaner and healthier indoor environment for your home. Battery life and runtime. Equipped with a 3,000 mAh battery, the LVAC-300 delivers flexible runtime options. Expect up to 60 minutes in eco mode with the crevice tool, 40 minutes with the vacuum head or mini motorized brush, and 12 minutes in turbo mode for demanding tasks. Multi-surface versatility and accessories. This vacuum adapts easily to multiple surfaces. The main vacuum head handles hard floors and low-pile carpets, while the mini motorized brush is perfect for sofas, bedding, and pet hair. The crevice tool reaches narrow spaces, corners, and edges with ease. Maintenance and reliability. Maintenance is simple with washable filters and easy access to the dustbin and brush roll. If suction drops or battery life shortens, routine cleaning and checking for blockages quickly restores performance. Final verdict. The LVAC-300 combines powerful suction, advanced HEPA filtration, long runtime, and pet-friendly design in a lightweight cordless vacuum. It's a strong option for efficient, whole-home cleaning. For current pricing and availability, check the product link in the description and the pinned comment.